watch the machine make our chocolates.
We are so excited to be in Hershey, Pennsylvania, and right next door to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. And can you believe the streets are named Cocoa and Chocolate? It's even better because we have our best friends, Maddie, and her mom, Yudi, with us today.
Our schedule today will be chocolate unwrapped, the meal deal, create your own candy bar, the 4D movie mystery, and finally the Hershey Park chocolate tour. Chocolate world. So we're gonna take a class on how to taste and make chocolate. Mom couldn't find her way through the Hershey Park world, so I decided to lead us to the meal deal area where we got our lunch.
So meal deal, cracker, any cookies, pizza, salad, slush.
So now that we've designed all of our chocolate and what we want in it, we're gonna go through this line and we're gonna watch the machine make our chocolates.
Maddie and I were so excited to see how our chocolates would turn out.
초콜릿 만드는 과정을 지켜보니 자꾸 초콜릿이 먹고 싶어져요. 뭐라고요?
It's visible in the cooling column, so that means you can see the chocolates. That one's mine.
It was so amazing to be able to email myself my own custom candy wrapper design.
So we just finished customizing our own chocolate and we got a customized like wrapper. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah, I have to put it
We had to put the RV in. That's alright. But yeah, it's so cool.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Hi guys.
So what do you think? Should we tell them?
Of course we should tell them. We need their help.
We need someone's help, but these folks are here to enjoy chocolate world. You know, learn how to make their own candy bar, do some chocolate tasting, buy some candy, fun stuff. I'm not sure they want to get in the middle of an unsolved mystery.
Reese, we've already been through this. You have to help us.
Now, hold on a second. You're both right. We do need their help, but it's a lot to ask, especially from people who are here to have a good time.
If you're logged in right now, what would everybody do?
Fun fact many people don't know is that Milton Hershey originally started with a caramel company in Lancaster, Pennsylvania in the 1880s. But in 1893, he saw a German chocolate making machine that changed his life forever, and he founded Hershey's Chocolate Factory in 1905.
Hey everyone, welcome aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Hi, folks! Welcome to our dairy farm. The Hershey beans start It's the milk we make that's at the heart. Sweet inspiration from the very start. You can taste the love all over the world. Got that feel good feeling every day. We're making chocolate the Hershey way. You can taste the love all over the world.
Quality supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Chocolate's rich taste and creamy texture, and of course that wonderful smell.
Hi, everybody. These punching machines use big granite rollers to smooth and transform refined froth into milk chocolate.
All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's Chocolate.
The ones you love. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
It was great to learn about how all this chocolate was created. And I am personally thankful that Mr. Hershey was one who made chocolate affordable for all of us, unlike how Swiss chocolate was so expensive.
Chocolate. It's 2, so it's big. Casey wasn't feeling well. We can't come with us to the Hershey World, but so that she can be remembered, so she has something. We got her a birthstone necklace.
Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future videos. Thank you!